Today I am going to conduct class for mechanical branches, degree, diploma, CTS, CITS, NTS level students. Everyone know that when we are going to product any item, different operation involved. Either it may be hand operation or machine operation. If we are going to hold the work pieces with hand, accident may occur. To avoid this accident, in our engineering line, one tool introduced which is known as holding device. Under holding device, most common vice which is available in all engineering workshop known as bench vice. Bench vice is used for firmly grip the job. It is known as bench vice, hitter vice, parallel jaw vice and engineering vice. On the bench top, it is fixed with the help of nut and bolt. In bench vice, workpieces firmly grip in between mobile jaw and fixed jaw for different operations like filing, sawing, chipping, threading and other hand works. In picture, it is clear that how the work pieces hold and different operation is going on. Fitter vice, these vices are available in different trade size and the selection of the suitable size will depend upon the maximum size of the work. The width of the jaw determines the size of the vices. The width of the jaw suitable for common work varies from 80 to 140 mm and the maximum opening being 95 to 180 mm. If you want to clear about what is width of the jaw, follow the picture below. Parts of ordinary bench vice. First one is mobile jaw, second one is fixed jaw, third one is jaw plate, fourth one is spindle with square thread, fifth one is base, sixth one is box nut, seventh one is handle, eighth one is washer, ninth one is pin, 10th one is body, 11th one is coil spring. Now we will know about individual parts of bench vice. First one is mobile jaw. This portion horizontally slide inside of the fixed jaw. It is made by cast iron. Second one is known as fixed jaw. This portion fixed on bench top with the help of nut and bolt. It is also made by cast iron. Third one is jaw plates. It is available in two pieces. Individual, they are fixed on the mouth of mobile jaw and fixed jaw with the help of screw. It is made by cast steel with hardened and tempered. On the face of that pieces, serration cut. Serration is the design on a flat surface to prevent slip. Next one is spindle. Generally spindle fixed with mobile jaw with the help of spring, washer and pin. It is made by mild steel. On the surface of spindle, square thread form or butter thread form for quick release vice. Spindle connected with box nut to move horizontally inside the fixed jaw. Next one is box nut. That box nut placed inside of the fixed jaw. It is connected with spindle to sliding the movable jaw inside of the fixed jaw. It is made by gunmetal, brass or cast iron. Next, handle. It is made by mild steel. It connects with spindle, help to rotate spindle. Next, group of parts which help to assemble spindle and movable jaw. First one is washer, second one is pin. Both are made by the mild steel. In between washer and pin, one part is fixed known as spring. It is made by spring steel. Now I will explain about parts of quick release vice. First one is jaw plate, second one is fixed jaw, third one is movable jaw, fourth one is spindle with butter thread, fifth one is hub nut, sixth one is handle, seventh one is hand trigger, eighth one is coil spring, ninth one is pivot block, 10 one is nut bracket and 11 one is rocking bar. When we work on bench vice, always take care of jaw plate serration and finish surface of work pieces. So we hold the finished work using soft jaws, which is known as vice clamp. Generally, it is made by aluminum or brass thin sheet. Before grip the work, always place the pieces on mouth of the jaw plates. In picture, it is clear what will be the shape of vice clamp. If you take care and maintenance of tools and equipments, the life of the tools and equipments will increase. Also, at the time of work, it will not fail you. In the same manner, if we take care and maintenance of vice, it will give us proper work. So, make sure to oil and lubricate the joint and sliding parts. To oil the sliding section, at first open the jaw completely, clean the surfaces and apply layer of grease to the surface. Do not over tighten the vice as the spindle may be damaged. Always keep all thread and moving parts clean by wiping the vice with a clean cloth after each use. When vice will be rusted, at that time at first clean it and after that disassemble the complete vice and remove the rust by rust remove cleaner and clean it by brush and cloths. After complete work, clean bench vise and close it. Maintain slight gap in between two jaws. Also kept handle in vertical position. Follow image. Handle rotating pressure is sufficient to firmly grip the workpiece in between two jaws. But few people not satisfied, they strike on handle with hammer to tighten the workpiece. Don't do like that. Don't strike on handle with hammer. Neither spindle and handle both will damage. Bench wise chapter is over. Now you check yourself answering this question. First question, which material is used for jaw plates? Second, which type of thread is formed on spindle? Third, what is the location of box nut? Fourth, which material is used for box nut? Thank you, student. In next class, I will discuss about other type of holding device used in mechanical workshop.